My battery went dead on me there for a minute. Okay, I've got them filled up with the boiling hot water, and then I'm going to close them. And yes, that is hot, but I'm one of these that can stand hot water. My grandmother taught me when you wash your dishes or anything, you use hot water, and I kind of got my hands used to the heat. But what I'm going to do with these is I'm basically going to let them steep. Some people put them in the window every day, however long I let them go. I mean, that will depend on the color, but you just keep on shaking them every day, just kind of like I do the netto seeds. And you know, you can also do a tincture and with the flowers actually, and the root works really well for a tincture in the violet. I have done that. I do this, just several different things, and I mean you can do tinctures on lots of herbs. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing now, and this is going to have to steep at least, you know, at least 24 hours, maybe a little bit longer, and then I'm going to bring you back and show you how I make my violet syrup and how I make my violet syrup for sore throat, cough. I call it a cold syrup, you know, because where they've got so much vitamin C in them, they're really good it's really good for colds. I mean, these violets, you know, if you're eating a salad, just go out and grab you some of the flowers or the leaves, plop them in your salad. They're really good. My husband likes them. I like them. And that's about it for today, and I'll bring you back and show you whenever I get ready to finish. Have a blessed day. Or night, whichever it may be for you. And this is Spring with Soaps and Suds and Such. And God bless you. Hi everybody, this is Spring with Soaps and Suds and Such. And today I'm going to show you how I make my violet cough syrup, or cold sore. I call it a cold syrup, but some people call it sore throat syrup. Now mine, I have here my infused violet water, or tea. I made a tea with it, but it was water. I also I like to put marshmallow in mine, and licorice root. The marshmallow root, that's good, also good for sore throat. And I like to do it that way, and I don't know about y'all, but we don't like sore throat around here. So I'm going to pour that in here, and again I'm using a 2 pots, work like a double boiler. And then I'm going to be adding my honey. I will be adding 2 cups of honey, and some people say you don't have to leave it in the refrigerator because you're adding honey. Now to my redbud syrup, I done it totally different, and I mentioned about how I don't leave it out of the refrigerator. I don't leave any of these syrups out of the refrigerator, not even this one. And it has, you know, quite a bit of honey, but I prefer to keep it in the refrigerator. I know honey's a natural preservative, but I still like to just keep it in the cool and in the dark place. That's pretty dark in there. So I have to get another cup of honey. And I'm just basically going to let this heat up, and that's about it. I'm not going to let it really cook a lot. Just kind of heat up and get mixed together, because you do have that tea, which is water. That's one reason I like keeping it in the refrigerator, because it does have the water in it. And we hate sore throat here. Okay, and I'm going to get this heating up, and I will bring you back and show you the finished product in just a minute. Okay, here it is. This is my sore throat syrup, cough syrup. And no, it's not real pretty and purple, but with that much honey, y'all know it's not going to be, because the honey's brown. And too, I also, where I put the marshmallow root, that makes it a little bit browner, and the licorice root. But this is it, and I will be storing it in the refrigerator for sore throat time or cold time. And I hope y'all have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. God bless you.